going on? Oh.
Someone had to drive it.
Yep.
Wanna go get that carb?
Sure thing. I just got here too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. All right. Away we go to get lots of...
Are you locked and everything?
No, but it doesn't matter. Get lots of looks.
I don't know. I'm paying more attention to what's going on with the car at the moment. This unhooked, eh? I gotta pull the panel and figure out what happened there.
What unhooked?
Well, the thing fell off the...
Oh, the door lever?
Yeah. Oh. Don't worry about the pressure gauge or the temperature gauge. It was reading over hot before I left the drive room, so.
Lap belts on.
Lap of luxury here. Put $50 a premium. Oh, enter. Actually, it's funny because as soon as I added it, it started running better. Needs to have a bunch of the carbon run out of it too.
Does it have air shocks in it? Or just regular shocks? That's scraping a lot for regular shocks.
Is it hitting?
Yeah. Something's hitting.
Like I said, I don't think this car's ever even been on a shakedown, right? Like it was driven, I drove it to the hospital and back.
Yep. Well, I know it got driven downtown once.
Yeah.
I see you are driving a Mustang with a GTO key fob.
Is it?
Yep.
Very nice.
So we're here to pick up a carb that we got on a marketplace deal. I don't know if our buddy Mark, who's the owner, is around. We'll take a quick look in his garage though, and then we'll ask permission later if we can post this up. He's got some cool stuff. This is one tidy garage.
Yeah. I don't know that I'm allowed.
What's the story of this car again? You know all about this, don't you? Oh, it's got it ripped down.
Wait, hold it. Pull the intake off, man. Oh, and the heads. He just put aluminum heads on, I wonder. Swapping out again. It's Falcon, obviously. That a guy built up, but it was an absolutely perfect car. Mark got it like this. Cool gasser look. Some nice rear wheels.
There's a story behind this one too, but I'd have to ask Mark about it. The Mustang, wasn't there something as far as the engine goes? It changed.
Oh yeah, it was a fuel injected that he switched over to carb.
That's right.
But it's a Mark liked Fox bodies before they were popular, so he managed to grab this thing, and it was just a clean car, factory 5-speed, just super nice. You know, I don't know what he paid necessarily, but I think that's back when you can still get them for like $7,000 kind of thing.
This thing is clean.
Oh yeah. It's technically Ashley's car.
Okay, his wife's. No, that's super nice.
Recognize those?
Oh, aren't those your?
Those are the ones we traded for the rest of the car.
Oh, there's your car. It's paid for.
Oh, sweet. Perfect. Hey, there's $65 here.
All right.
Cool.
So away we go.
I'm just gonna double check that our battery didn't bounce all over the place. Then when I get back to the shop, I don't want to run over behind it. Where the heck?
Doesn't get necessarily really hard. Ah, there we go. No, she's
Still good?
yeah, you're good to go there. Nothing is bounced out. looks good. Everything is in order.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, let's go close it on your
Close
head.
my head in there. Yeah, I gotta get a screwdriver on it. Okay.
Okay. All right. Back we go. Oh my gosh, this hood is.
Stiff, eh?
Yep. I'd fix this door too. What happened here again?
He put painter's tape on it to hold the window.
Yep.
So he didn't scratch the door when he put the window in, and the tape pulled all the everything off.
Since we didn't have a chance to take the green 67 Mustang for a drive in the last video that we shot, that we would give it a tune-up and try to take it for a rip today. Now, we did try this a couple days ago, but the alternator seized.
Yeah.
And it was stinky.
Yeah. And so we're gonna pull it off, put the new alternator on,
Change some plugs and wires and maybe a cap and rotor.
plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and shall we say PCB belt?
Yes.
As well.
So no more rattling. So we've got all that stuff sitting over here on the back of the truck, ready to go.
Get to getting.
Yep. So it is all back together. As you saw through our time warp, all sorts of stuff was changed. Here are the keys for Tim. He's gonna give it a fire up. Hopefully nothing explodes and we can go for a ride.
Easy, what do you think? 3 pumps?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Mismatched spark plug wire.
Yeah, something. The PCV valve ticking problem wasn't actually the issue. It turned out that it was something else. And it was also coming from the opposite side to what we were thinking. So, had a look right there. And you can see what's going on and why it's making that noise.
I hope the cam is fine, but you know what? It sounds okay. Oddly enough, the idle is good. Hopefully this will just make it better.
What's going on?
Oh, just making sure the stud didn't push out. Okay.
There's no way it could have just popped off, is there?
No. I do fear she's a little worn out though. Okay, well, I think that valve's gonna be a little loud regardless.
Okay, red. Yep. Oh, listen to that! Oh, it's right back. I bet you it fell off again.
Nope, just loose.
So it's still making a bit of a ticking sound, but Tim thinks that maybe you just need to run it and get some oil running through. It's actually starting to go away now. Oh, I can hear it a bit. Oh, we'll give it a run. Where are we off to?
I figure, I don't know how much gas is in it. It's reading empty, so we'll see where we get to.
Might need an Italian tune-up at some point.
It definitely needs it. I don't know when the last time this car was driven was, but... Oh, there we go. There's first.
Oh, it's nice and smooth.
It is a very smooth car.
I can't hear it anymore.
Nope. Big bump. Oh, takes a while. Brakes are classic four-wheel drums. We'll have to remind them about that. It takes an extra 35 meters to stop.
I can hear it a little bit.
Tiny bit, eh? The valves probably need to be done, but also with one valve completely having not been on, who knows if there's a bit of damage in there and it's not got full lift, although like the power feels good. Always mess with it and bring up a piece of cardboard and do the valves and whatnot. But for the time being,
well, I think
see the signal lights in the hood. I love that.
For the time being, I think though it runs completely different than it did. It almost, I know it's not, but it almost sounds like an exhaust leak.
Yeah, it does come and go.
Maybe a little Lucas solution to that?
It could, yeah, definitely do it. Probably wouldn't hurt just to put in the engine anyway, right? It drives nice.
It does drive super nice. It's not as clunky and bunky as the red Mustang.
No, but remember, Garrett lowered that by cutting the springs.
Oh, I forgot about that. That's right. Yes, because he wouldn't buy a lowering kit.
Yeah. Just kind of riding the brakes here, trying to get however many years of non-brake use off.
Look at that white beauty parked on the lawn there.
Ooh, downshifts. That's good. So we have gears. Alternator's alternating. Weird. Burns out a lot easier now too.
Ooh.
It sounds good.
It's, hold on a sec, leave it run while I pop it. I can... It's gone, Tim.
Yeah.
Yep.
Might have to exhaust leak as well.
Yeah, I hear something, but it's not that same ticking. It doesn't seem like. Oh, it is still there. It almost sounds like it's coming.
No, it might be a little of the valve still.
See, now it's gone, eh?
Yeah. It just might need to be run.
And Lucas. So they, oh.
Starts right back up before I lose them.
So there you go, folks. An episode with two Mustangs in one. Looks as though everything seems to be on the up and up with this guy now. Thanks for watching. Anything to say?
Yeah, this mirror's not attached anymore. Apparently at one point it was a remote mirror. Anyway, no, this was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed this.
Yep, we love this type of thing. Have a good one, folks.